What will happen? In case if the labels are damaged, when you unload, when you see the handling units, the labels are damaged. What exactly you will do now? You will receive incidents for this one. I'm not able to scan the handling unit. What exactly you will do now? Hmm? Any idea?
We cannot move it to the perfect storage type because of.
Yeah, obviously you cannot move. Without labels, you cannot move. So in this case, you need to print a new label for the respective handling units. You can generate a new handling unit number and new label. Okay, you got the point. You can generate
Yes.
a new handling unit number and you can print that new label with respect to the new handling unit number. And you can stick that handling unit and that label to the this one respective palette, and you can scan it and you can move to the respective zone. Got it? You cannot do anything with the damaged labels, right? What is the next option we have? Still you want to keep the stock in the respective staging area? No, you cannot keep more time, right? You cannot keep a long time in the staging area, all the handling units. You need to move further, right? For that, you need to create a new handling unit and print the label and stick the labels to the respective palette and move the respective palette to the respective zone, whatever it may be, the finished for the destination zone of the respective palette. You got the point?
This will be Ram. This will be done at the warehouse, no, at the time.
Yeah, it's in the staging area itself. Okay. Normally, when if you don't receive the stock to EWM also, you have inbound delivery, right? You have inbound delivery in EWM, right?
Yes, Ram.
That inbound delivery, how do you change the handling unit number now? Let me go see here. Let me. So let me create one inbound delivery. Okay. So I have two materials here. Let me take like 10 quantities. Okay. Now I can pack it here. Let me pack it here only. Okay. So that it will be easy. I'm packing it in cottons. Okay. Cotton does not exist.
Last time you did it in my system, Ram. Last class.
Uh, so all the configuration, everything I have done in your system.
Yes, Ram.
Okay, I should do every configuration in my system then. Okay, tell me your credentials. That's fine. So you already pinged your credentials, right?
Yes, Ram.
Because I have less time today, I cannot do the configuration everything. But tomorrow I'll keep every configuration ready. Okay. Let me see you. Okay, I have ECC and let me take EWM. Okay. Now let me create an inbound delivery. I think this PO is there. I think so. Let me see. in quantity.
No, Ram, this is, I think, this is not your material.
But this is a material only, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let me see. So I'm packing it this one. I'm packing this one and this one. Okay, and everything is good. LR46 ROD location you are receiving, and if you see the distribution status, it is relevant for distribution. Good. Now you can save the delivery. Okay, distributed to WMS system 643. Now RDI 0643. Okay, I have the respective inbound delivery here. So I not do anything. I'll see the handling units. I have two cottons here. Okay, I have two cottons. Cotton 01 is the packing material, and now just think that the warehouse worker was not able to scan this handling unit. The warehouse worker were not able to scan these handling units. So there are two options for you here. There are two options here for you. Either you need to reprint this label again. You need to reprint this label again. In case if they are not able to reprint this one, you need to create a new handling unit and you need to print that and you need to receive that handling unit. So let's take second scenario in this case. 1552. Let me see. For documents, handling units. So I'm keeping this handling unit number. I have the handling unit if you see. Okay. Now this handling unit, fine. This handling unit, what I'm doing, I can reprint the handling unit. Okay, either print handling unit or reprint the handling unit, anything is fine. If you are printing the handling unit, if the printer setup is there in the condition record, if the printer setup is there, then it will print the handling unit. Okay, print HU label. So there are no conditions defined, but in case if you define the short condition everything, it will print the handling unit. Okay, now once you print that handling unit number, automatically what will happen, you can attach that label to the handling unit and you can receive that. This is one way. This is one way. If not, in case if you are not able to print the handling unit number due to any reasons, you cannot wait for that, right? You cannot wait for that. You can analyze it later. You can analyze it later by keeping that uh, issue in a separate way. Now you need to resolve this issue in immediate cases. Now what I will be doing, I'll be repacking this one. So how to repack this one, guys? I want to repack this one. I want to create a new handling unit and I want to print that label. So I'll select the delivery and I'll go to the follow-on functions, go to the pack, guys. Go to the pack. Now if you see, there are two cartons, 1051 and 1052. There are two carton boxes are there. So I want to create a new one. Can you see here? Create HU is there. So I want to give the packing material as cotton 01. Cotton 01. I want to create the same packing material I want to receive. I create one handling unit. So this I should create in, let's don't do anything, that's fine. Okay, just execute. Can you see here, guys? EWM system has generated one new carton. It has generated new carton box. I mean to say, a new handling unit was created. Now what you can do, you can go to repack handling unit. You can go to the repack handling unit. So how do you repack the handling unit? Source HU is this one, which is 1552. Destination HU is what? 6 9 3 4. Execute. Can you see here, guys? I packed. Instead of packing this one, what I can do, I delete this one. What I can do, pack. I'll repack the product. Okay, instead of repacking the HU, I'll repack the product. 01, execute. A new carton was created. What I can do, I can repack the product now. To repack the product, I need a delivery number. So delivery number is what, guys? Let me open a new this one. Don't need this one. That's fine. Okay. So this one, document number. Source HU 1552. Delivery number is this one. Item number is what? Item number is, I can give it as 20 1552. 552. I can give it as 20. Quantity. Quantity is 10 pieces. Destination HU is 6. 6. Last 1. Okay. Now I am repacking this product. I am repacking this item. Repacking this item 10 quantity into this HU from this HU. Execute. Can you see? Now this is empty now. 1552 is empty. Can you see? 1552 is empty, and 6 all zeros 1 is having this product with quantity of 10 eaches. I repacked the product from this handling unit to this handling unit. Now this handling unit is not there now. This number is not there. If you save it, this will be gone. 1552 will be gone. If you save it, and this will be there. Let me save it. Empty HUs will not be saved during packing in the inbound delivery. Continue means what? It will delete the empty HUs automatically. In the pack transaction, this one, if any empty HUs are there, system will delete the empty HUs when you save it. Yes. Now, if you go to delivery and if you go to handling unit, just see what will happen. There is 1551 handling unit which is came from ECC, and there is 601 which was created by the EWM system. Both are cotton boxes only, but instead of 1552 we have 601. Because why? Because this handling unit is damaged and we are not able to print this handling unit, or not able to receive this handling unit. So what we are doing, we are creating a new handling unit and transferring the products to the new handling units and reprinting the label and receiving it to the destination area. You got the point? What exactly we are doing?
Yeah.
Now
Yes.
what will happen in ECC? We change the handling units in the EWM system. Now ECC, we have the old handling units only, right? In ECC. What
Yes.
will happen to the ECC, it's closed. Okay. What will happen to the ECC once you do the GR? So here, if you see, if you go to pack transaction here, can you see there is 1551 handling unit and 1552 handling unit is there. Both are cotton boxes. Now in EWM, if you see 1551 is there, this is there, and EWM instead of 1552 we have 601 is there handling unit. What will happen if I do the GR? It will update or not in ECC? It will update the goods movement status or not in ECC? The queue will be passed or not? Once I do the GR,
It will update, sir.
It will
it
will update.
will update. Okay, good. Okay, where I locked. Now I will do the GR now. So GR is completed, guys. The PPF will trigger here now. ERP. It was sent to ECC. Now let's check this one. Always BL33 and you need to come back and you need to open. Okay. It's not update in the same screen. Okay. Now if you see goods movement data, still it is A. Now I need to check in what? SMQ2, the inbound queues. I see one queue was failed. Why it is failed? I need to check. Posting only possible in periods. You know this issue, right?
Is this MMPV and MMRV, right?
Yes, yes. So this is MMRV and MMPV. MMRV is to check the posting periods. MMPV is the open and close the posting periods. Okay. So I don't know what is your company code. I'm not able to see the error. What I can do, I can go to the configuration and I can see that. So the plant number of yours LX10, right?
No, no, Ram. LR46 plant.
LR46. It belongs to company code 0001. Okay. So now what I can do, MMRV 0001. If you see 10/2023 is their current period. Okay, but we are in 11th month. MMPV, if you go 0001, period is 11, financial year is 2023. Okay, we are in 11th month, we are good. Now let me repose this queue. Okay, different is there. Okay, screens are a bit different. Oof, oof, oof. Oh, too much difference. Wait, is failed again. Maintain tolerance limit for tolerance key. Why your system is not opening the full level? And then tolerance limits for tolerance key. VP. What is that?
Company code. Almost. SAP SPRO material management purchase order set tolerance limit for price variance.
Okay.
There is a tolerance key as VP we have.
Okay, then let me check that.
OMR6, I think.
Yeah, OMR6, that is the right, I think so.
Yes, OMR6.
Yeah, OMR6. I forgot this speaker. Yeah.
001.
Company code is 0001. Oh, where is the company code? The company code is not there.
0001.
Okay, missing. So VP is missing
They have
for
not.
work.
They have deleted all the default settings.
Entry exists with the same key. Company
Ours
code.
is 0001. Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Okay.
Actually, what is this tolerance key?
You have price difference between the standard price and the moving average price, or something price difference is there. But normally it will not hit the pricing average actually here from EWM system. But Q better is not recommended. It's fine. VP, there is one more thing I know. So, the moving average price, if you find the price difference, does it hit the difference account? Difference amount, it will hit this account.
VP you already selected at the beginning itself.
Yeah, VP are selected. Okay, hang on. One is missing.
AN, sir. AN.
Okay. I'll check. Okay, the queue was triggered. Good. Now, if you see the goods data, this is completed. Okay, the packing data will not be shown because the GR is completed, but you can see it in the here 6 all zeros 1. Normally, document flow. Yeah. Document number. Material number. GR is completed. This is fine. Okay, we'll check this one later. But you can see the handling units, right? It was replaced with the new handling unit created from the EWM system. The same packing material, if you do, it will works.
Ram, is this every time user or is needs to maintain manually or somewhere from the one of the master data this
No,
can flow?
what exactly you're asking?
See this handling unit information, right? In inbound delivery ERP side we have maintained manually, right?
ERP side we maintain manually. Yeah.
This handling unit cartoon 0102 we have maintained manually, right? In ERP side inbound delivery.
Okay. Yes.
So is there somewhere anywhere like in any of the master data where we can maintain for this particular material? This is the packing material somewhere we name it. Is it possible to maintain it anywhere?
Yeah. Normally we'll maintain, right? In the this will called as normally packing instructions will be there for one material. Packing instructions. Normally in EWM we will define packing instructions and all. But ECC will not define any packing instructions. EWM will define the packing instructions generally.
But at material level will define or
Yeah, product level. This
product
product
level?
level we have packing instructions. That tomorrow we'll discuss the topic.
Okay, okay.
Pack spec. With respect to product, you need to maintain the pack spec data. So that will tell you first you need to pack the product with respect to which packing material. Like if you're taking example of any um example recently encountered issue with tobacco industry. One small pack contains six of the tobacco, and that is packed into one of the box where it contains uh, 12 small cases that is packed into one carton. That one carton is packed into a full pallet. You got the point what I mean to say?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, in one carton you have 12 small packings. In one carton we have small packings, and in one pallet we have almost like 8 cartons. If you see the box, you'll get to understand. I'll show you the box if it is possible. Something like you're packing small boxes in all the big boxes. When the production happens of this tobacco, you'll receive the small boxes of tobaccos normally. The production happens. I mean, not with the packing. You'll get the individual products. That you will pack it manually, and that packing you are packing in a respective case, and that case you're making in a pallet. With the tomorrow we'll discuss in deep. Okay, how that will works
And
and all.
yeah, one
Sorry.
more thing is that anywhere are we maintaining like for one like material wise like for in one carton we are going to maintain only 12 quantity. 12
Exactly. That is
quantity.
that is a pack spec. That is called pack spec actually.
Okay.
In one
So
pallet, you have 6 cases, maybe 5 cases, maybe 12 cases, one pallet. But there should be the correct measurement we need to give in the pack spec so that they can pack those many cases in one pallet.
mhm.
That will define in the packing instructions. Packing instructions normally this is called.
We not yet covered right that one that part still or we
What cover?
completed that like where we define this for one case
Mm-hmm.
these many packages we are going to maintain that
Still we
somewhere.
didn't. If you want me to show, I can show you, but we cannot define now. If I take EWM6 material,
Mhm.
execute. No pack spec found. I can create the pack spec. So what I can do? Okay, give me a second.
But the same thing we define in the material master, that alternate unit of measure, right?
Not alternate unit of measure. That will not comes in here. Alternate unit of measure. So I'm taking one of the one. What I will do, I'll replicate this one. I can show you this one. Okay, instead of creating one. Can you see here?
Mhm.
Now you have main level of packing. This is not clearly it was maintained, but this is the main packing, which contains 5 quantity. They didn't mention the pallets or not, and it contains one packing material. That packing